Hey, every great outfit starts with a little inspiration. Come get ready with me today. I'm trying to decide on which makeup I'm going to put on, but it's August, you know it's hot, so it's not going to be full face, even though I always say I'm not going to do a full face of makeup, I'm going to do it light, blah, blah, blah. It never happens. I wind up putting the full Monty on. So, let's see how this is going to work. So, this is the face, finished with that. Now I'm just going to put my gold jewelry on and then I'll get dressed and you can see the finished look. Well, this is the complete outfit. I'm getting ready to head out. I had to change my shoes, y'all, because this niece said, no, I'm not working with the heels today. I did try, but it said no. So I had to put on a different shoe, and this is the outfit. Let me know what you think. See? Bye.